myself Swati Prakya Pandit of class 9A Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya. Today I am here to share a small story with you all which is very realistic in today's situation. The topic of my story is freedom lies in rich but a lie to the poor. So let's get started. Once there lived a person named Vijay. He had 2 daughters and his wife had died. He worked in a courier company at a small post. His elder daughter's name was Shivani. She was 17 years old. She faced a lot of difficulties in her studies because of money, but she was a very talented student. Vijay's younger daughter name was Divya. She was just 8 years old. Shivani managed all the household works and took care of Divya, managing her studies too. They belonged to a middle class family. Vijay always stressed about the money, the 2 child's education, marriage and many other things. One day, his younger daughter Divya's health became ill. Vijay's elder daughter called him and soon he came home and they went to the hospital. They had to wait for a while to take the doctor's appointment to meet the doctor. As the doctor came, they ran to the doctor for their child's checkup. But the doctor said to fill up the form first and pay the money. As soon as they will be doing so, the child's checkup will be started. Vijay was tensed. What to do? How to manage now? At that moment, a man with his ill daughter came and ordered to start her checkup immediately. The doctors listened to him and they started the child's checkup. The person afterwards did the formalities of the hospital. The person was their MLA. Vijay was helpless. He thought that the MLA sir might help him. So he asked him and he also helped him. He said the nurse to take Vijay's daughter and start her treatment. Her condition was really very serious. The doctor was starting her treatment, but the little heart couldn't take it anymore. She had a lack of oxygen. She suffered a lot, but died. Shivani observed everything, that how a MLA's child, who obviously belonged to a rich family, just had a little cold, but was given the best checkup as soon as they reached there, and also did the rules and formalities of the hospital later. Why? Because they are rich, they have high status. But because we are middle class, we are poor. We have to pay the money first and then only the checkup will be started. Whom to tell? How to stop all this? Only tears can flow through the poor's eyes. Freedom, independence is a lie to the poor. That day, Shivani thought to do something in her life. She will become an MLA and get all such facilities as rich do. Is this what we say? We have freedom, we are independent, we are all equal? Just because of money, rich are given the first priority, but poor are treated in such a wrong manner. The moral of my story is, freedom is priceless gift. In the struggle of freedom, both rich and poor people sacrifice their everything to make our country free. So there must not be any such differentiation among rich and poor people. Everyone should feel that they are independent, they are free, they are equal in this society. Thank you.